Yeah, so here's the bike. The chain wheel, 1 speed, weak brakes, small fork. That's how it looks like from the front. Upgraded brake levers. Yeah, so we're on the Daewoo Shuttle, says. Whoa, it's super sketchy. It's a bit twitchy in the front end, so it needs a bit of getting used to. But I only got 1 gear on this, but it's a usable gear. Not great for hills. The brakes are awful on this, on the Daewoo Shuttle. I put 3 brake levers on there, but just helps a little bit, and some new brake pads. But I can't do much more than that. So you can't really go that fast on this. I'm full on the brakes now. And it's not going to stop on a dime. Oh my goodness me. It's a sunny afternoon. Someone's bashing some golf balls down there. Oh, kid's fallen over. Where's the dad? Oh, there she is. Here we go. The Daewoo Shuttle. Please don't hit me, little girl. Well, still cycling. I found you've got to have the tyres up really on high pressure, at least 50 psi, because it gets really wobbly. It really wallows on low pressures. I'm gonna have to have full brakes on this bit. Just cannot stop this bike. Ooh. Nearly lost it. Oh, I'm gonna get wet. No mud guards in this thing. Oh, it's super light, you know, it's only about 10 kilos. Pushing this thing up is pretty easy. So if you see one of these, just pick one up. Be a feature classic. I would love to get a Brompton bike, but you need about 750 quid for a new one, and £1,000 for a decent one. Oh, lifting the front end is so easy. I reckon you could do a wheelie on this.